Hello, good morning, friends. Uh, Before I had given a video on single linked list. Now it is a circular single linked list. Okay, it is circular. Single linked list is only first node point to second, second to third, third to fourth, and fourth to fifth, and fifth will be pointing to null, nothing. But in circular, first node will be point to second, second to third, third to fourth, fourth to fifth, and fifth to last. Okay, the fifth node will be pointing to the last. Okay, this is a conceptual difference, and this is the program. Okay, now first execute the program. Let's create the list first. While explaining, I should create. Now the list contains one element, first node. The first node function is called here also first node is called so the first node function I am doing it by making a difference between the single linked list and circular linked list, so that the difference is understandable will be easily. If you are looking in this video of circular linked list, first look into the video of single linked list, then you will be able to understand this thing. Okay, in single linked list, first node created, first data is data, then first next is null, because single linked list if it is a one node it will contain null, right? But in circular, if it is one node, last element should point to first, last element will point here first. Okay, so first data first next null, but here first next will be first. Okay, now this at last, here in a single linked list the last element will be null, but here the last element will point to first, and at last is 1, so enter choice 1, 2, so 2 is added, right? How this function is working? This is at last. Here is the same thing. New node will be created. It will point to first not equal to first. Here we are traversing temp next not equal to null, but here I will be traversing temp next not equal to first, because the last element will no longer be null, it will contain the address of the first node. Okay, last node will contain the address of the first node. Temp next temp equal to temp next. Okay, till then it temp will be containing will be pointing to the last element, temp next this. Now temp I am moving just forward to the node that is newly created, and temp next will be first, will be containing the first node, but here same thing, but temp next is null, otherwise both are same. After that, display, this is a display function. Okay, this is display function not equal to null, first not equal to null, here also first not equal to null, first delete suppose 1, empty list is a empty list, it will be printing empty list. Okay, It's now content 3 display. In single till not equal to null, not till temp next not equal to null. Here it will temp next not equal to first. Temp next, it will going to iterate till it is first. Temp will be contain the first element. It will go on printing temp next. It will go on printing till temp next will be pointing to the last element. Will be containing the first element. If it is contain the first element, then temp will not be printed here. It will come out and print here. So things are same thing is there. Only thing, instead of equal to not equal to null, it will be not equal to first. Okay. After that, add beginning. Zero 1 2 3. Here at the beginning, simple, we are just creating a node. Temp next will be, because at beginning means what this. In single linked list, at beginning we are just creating a node. First will be pointing here, so temp next will be first, and first will be temp next. Temp. Okay. Temp next will be pointing first. First will be temp. For circular linked list, we are creating the node. Temp next will be pointing to first, and after that we have to iterate to the last element, because the last node will be containing the address of the first node. So temp 1 will become first. We will go on iterating till the last element we reach. After that, first will be made the temp, and the last element next will be made the first. Okay. We created this node. First points here, we go to the last element. Last element next will point to the first, and first will become this. Here temp will become first, and first last element temp 1 next will become first. See, first will become temp, temp 1 next will become first. Okay, it's the same thing with this, except for the last part. First will become temp, and temp 1 next will be first. Now it's insert after. Seven. After 2, what I want to add? 4. 1 2 4 3. So how is insert after working? This is insert after here. If it is null, if it is first node, then node will be created. Temp not equal to data, and temp next not equal to null. Temp data not equal to data, and temp next not equal to the first node. Okay. Here the last element will not be null, it will be the first, so it will iterate till the last element, which is identified by whose next element will be first. It will going to go on iterating. Temp data equal to go there. If temp data equal to data, then if in the middle if it is found, then temp data, if suppose 0 1 2 3 in the middle, after 2 I want to 2, it is found here, so it will not going to go to the last. In 2 it will going to come out of this while loop. Temp data equal to data, yes. Temp 1 equal to temp next, because it is insert after. Temp next equal to temp 1, I am holding the temporary variable, holding the value of the temp next. Temp next is the new node. Temp next is temp 1, and data I have entered is put here. How it is working here? Temp, suppose this is the element which I want, suppose this was the element which I want to change, 0 1 2. After 2 I want to insert, this was not there initially, this was there. Okay, so this was pointing here directly. Temp will point here. Temp 1 equal to temp next, it will going to point here. New node is created, temp next equal to malloc, so new node this is created. Temp next will be temp will be temp 1, because temp 1 from here I did temp 1 equal to temp next, so temp 1 will point here. Temp next will point here. Next to that we are going to be temp 1, because this should point here, so it will become this. After that temp next is made this. That's fine, things are done. Temp data is I put in, and if it is the last element, if we go to suppose this doesn't match and it is the last element, then it's same like insert at the last, so at last will be called. Here also is the same thing. If you have understood this, here it is not temp next equal to null, it means temp next equal to null, and it means temp next equal to first, because it will not be last, it will be the first element. Okay, after that insert before, so execute that thing first. Insert before is 7, so choice 7. Insert before 0, I want to insert -1. Insert before it what? Oh, insert before is not 7. Insert before it 6. I made a mistake. Insert before is 6. So choice I had to give. So let's first delete delete 1. This is insert after. Actually, I ended up doing insert after. After 0 is -1. After 0 I put 1, so -1. So let's for the deletion part. Enter choice delete is what? How much? 4. So delete -1. We deleted -1. Okay. So let's explain delete first. Now this is delete. Here corresponding delete. I have to iterate till I find the data or the last element. Last element is identified by first, so not equal to first. I am iterating. Temp 1 will be holding the last but one element. Okay. If temp data equal to data, temp 1 will be temp. It's a I am holding the value of temp. Okay. While temp next not equal to first, temp 1 will going to go on till the last element. Okay, here also is the same thing. No, here one thing. Here in deletion is simple. If it is the first node, just delete it. In deletion here, if it is the first node equal to temp, just delete the first node, make first the second node and free the first node. Okay, temp is identified by the first node here. First will become temp next, free temp. So I am just freeing the first node and pointing temp by pointing the making the first temp next. Okay, but here things are not the same, because if it is the first node, then the last node also has to be updated. This has to be deleted. If then this should become the first and this should be updated to this. Initially it will point to here, but it has to be updated here. Okay, so what I did here is first temp next not equal to first. I am just iterating till I find the data. If is the first node, then I have to go to the last. Not equal to, I am going to the last. If temp this part I am coming later. If temp next equal to first, suppose one element is there, one node is only there, then this while loop will not going to go. Temp will be pointing to the first element itself, because temp is pointing to the data, and if it is the first element, temp is counting the first element, and the first element it is found to be the data, then this while loop will not be executed even once. It will going to come out this equal to data and temp equal to first, then temp 1 will become temp, and while temp 1 next, temp 1 will always be pointing to the first, not equal to first. If it is a one node only, temp 1 will always be counting the address of the first, so it will not even be executing once. Okay, so if there is one single node, what we can do is temp next equal to first, and if temp next equal to first, means if it is a one node, temp next will be pointing to the first node, and if it get matched, then if temp next equal to first, yes, star first is null, because one node and deleted. After that m1 next equal to first doesn't make any sense. Free temp. If it is not the first node, if temp doesn't contain only one node, if the linked list doesn't contain only one node, it contains multiple nodes, then the first I want to delete, then it will just going to simply iterate till the last. It will find here the last. First will be made temp next, because temp will hold the value of the first element here. It will temp is holding the first element matches, and the linked list have 10 nodes. So first element will be temp. Temp will be pointing to the first node. So temp next will be first will become temp next will become the second element, and temp 1 which will going to point to the last element will be made the second element. Simply doing this. This one I need to delete. Temp will be pointing here. I have traversed the whole thing, reached here. This will be pointed by temp 1. Okay, first I made here. First I reassign to temp next here. After that, temp 1 next is first. Okay, I traverse the whole thing here. Temp 1 next equal to first. No, traverse the whole thing. No, so this thing first equal to temp next, and temp 1 next is first. Free temp, data deleted. Okay, and if data not equal to first, is the same thing as not equal to first, is the same thing, just not equal to first, in the middle, delete that data. Temp1 will be containing, it is the same thing, same thing as single linked list. Temp1 will be containing last dot 1, it will temp will point here. Temp1 next will be made temp next. Temp1 next is temp next, free temp. Okay. And if temp is a last element, last node, here temp is a last node, temp next equal to null. Yes, not means temp next equal to null, and temp next will be null, then not means true. So temp next not equal to null. Yes, temp next equal to first. If it is the last element, here the temp next will be null, and here the temp next will be first. If temp data equal to first, yes, is the last element, here the last element will be null. So here I have to check by equal to null. Yes, here I will be checking by equal to first. Yes, if data is matching, then temp1 next is first. Here temp1 next will be null. Temp1 next is first, free temp, else data not present, return. Okay. This is a deletion part. After that, insert after and insert before. Insert before. Now this is insert before, right? Insert before is deletion is over. Insert before is 6. Zero. Now let's go to the insert before function. Insert before is this, is the same iteration, temp next not equal to null. If it is the first node, if it is null, then create the first node. If it is not null, data not equal to data, and not equal to first, go on iterating. Temp data equal to data, and temp equal to first. If temp become equal to data and temp equal to first, and if temp equal to first, means it matches the first element node. First node I want to add before, like 0, then it's like insert at the beginning. Okay. If temp data equal to data, yes. If it is in the middle of the node equal to data, then temp will be pointing. Suppose while loop will go on iterating, suppose data is matched here. Okay, so temp will going to point here, and temp1 will going to point here. Okay, temp1 and temp will going to point to the node, and temp1 the previous node. So temp data equal to data, yes. Temp1 next, because it is insert before, what I need to do, just if it is insert before, I just need to create a node here. Temp1 will be pointing here, and this will point temp. Temp is here, temp1 is here. I have to insert here, temp will be pointing here, temp 1 next will point to the new node, and temp will be pointed by the new node. So temp 1 next is a new node, temp 1 next which is a new node next will be temp, and temp 1 next new node data will be data and return. Okay, you have understood this, you have looked into the video of this program, it's nothing different, it's the same. Okay, if temp next equal to null means the last element I have reached, but number doesn't match with anything, then it will be inserted at the last. Here not equal to first. Inserting at the last means temp next equal to first means inserting at the last. Inserting at the last means so at last function I called here directly. Okay, now it's reverse. The reverse here also is there. So the reverse part, let's execute it. 5, see, got reversed. So again 5 got reversed. Okay, so how is the reverse working here? Here I had used a simple while loop. Again it's the same thing. Present node will be pointing first, previous node will be present node will be pointing to the present node I am talking about, previous node will be pointing to the previous node, and previous to previous node will be pointing to the previous to the previous node. Initially present node will be first. Here the last element present node till not equal to null I have to need to iterate, but here not equal to first, because the last element in a single linked list, last node will always be pointing to null, so I know it will be null, but the last will always be pointing to, here in the circular linked list will be pointing to first. So here the first time during iteration present node will never be null, so I can go on iterating till present node is first to null, but here the present node will be first. So if I give here if I give the same while loop here, present not equal to first, then it will never be executed, because the first time it will be first, so it will never be executed. So instead of while, after the first iteration it will point to the second, it will no longer point to the first if it is a single node, but if it is not a single node, but if it is a single node it will point to the first, but then though reversal is required, but if it is not a single node, then after the first iteration it will not be pointing to first, it will be pointing to the second or the third. Okay, so I will first I want this loop to be iterated once, so instead of while I will be using do while. In do while once this loop will be iterated. So let's explain it with that example, is circular linked list. So data, so I want to reverse it. This present node will be pointing to the first node, previous node will be pointing to the second node, will be pointing to null, and previous to previous will be nothing. Okay, here I don't need to declare that thing. Previous to previous node will be pointed by, after the first iteration will be pointed to previous node will be, which is null. After that previous node will be pointing to the first node. Okay, now previous node, now the first present node, this is present node will be pointing to the second node instead of first. So previous node next is previous to previous node. Previous to previous node is first time is null. So previous node next is null, means the first node next next point value in the next pointer I had made null. Okay, after that the second iteration, because it is not equal to first, it has 5 node assume it. So previous node is previous to previous node is now first node. It is no longer null. Previously it was null, now it is the first node. Previous node is the second node, because present node contains the second node, and present node is now become the third node after this. Then previous node next became, means the second node next became the first node. After that, present node not equal to null, it will go up. Present node next is the first node here. After that, it will go up. Now previous to previous node will become the second node. Now previous node will become the third node here, and present node will become the fourth node. This previous node next, which is the third node, will become here the second node, because it has been updated here as second node. Again, present node not equal to first. Yes, it is the fourth node, so not equal to first. Previous node become the third node. Previous node become here. Previous to previous become third node. Previous node become second node. Present node become the here the fifth node. Okay, and previous next, the fourth node will now be pointing to here the third node. Okay, after that, not equal to first. Yes, present node not equal to first, because it's contain the, it is now the fifth node. Again go up. Previous to previous is became the fourth node, because it's contain the value of the fourth node pointer. Then previous node is present node, which is the fifth node. Previous present node will be next, which will become null, because it contains only five nodes. It will become null. It will become first element. Contain 5 node, last element will contain the first element. Previous node now become the first element, and previous next, which is the fourth element, will now point to previous next, which is the fifth element. Previous points here to fifth element. The previous node, the fifth element, will now point to the fourth element. Previous to previous will contain the fourth node. Okay, after that, not equal to null, no, it's become equal to null, because here it not equal to first. Yes, it no, it's become false. It is equal to first. So after that, first next will become a previous node. Previous node become present node not equal to first. No, it become equal to first. Present node is now equal to first. Okay. First next, first will be containing now the become the last node. First now become the last node. So first next will be the previous node. Previous node contain the, like here the first node will after reversal will become the last node, and this after the last iteration, present node will be containing the address of the first node. So previous node will be pointing here. So now first next is the last node, which always point to the first element, and this become the first element. So first next will be pointing here. This has to be reversed. This line has to be reversed. So first next will point here, and this will become the first. Okay, so instead of this will point here, this will point here, this will point here, this will point here, and this will going to point here, and this become the first. So things got reversed like this. Okay, if I change the arrow directly, so this will going to point here. So first next, because first contain the first element, first next will become first, which is the last element, will become the last element. Pre-ND will be always containing the last element, last node. So first next will be will be pointing the last node, and star and first element will be made previous node. Okay, this is a reversal. Okay, one more will be there, insert after. This insert after is also there. Here also insert after is also there. Insert after 3 I want to suppose. After 3, in the middle I will do. Insert after 2. Enter data 5. Insert after 2 is the same thing as let's first delete is the same as delete single linked list. If you have understood the single linked list, is the same. So let's, but insert after the end will be different. So it's the same. For insert after after in the middle of the list is same as single linked list, because in the circular linked list only the last element is different, otherwise everything is same. Deleted 5. Insert after 3 5. See, after 5 after 3 5 is added. How this worked? This, while in single linked list it's till not equal to null, this is, and this is temp next not equal to first. Okay, temp equal to temp next, it will be the last element. First single element, then first node, while temp data not equal to data and temp next not equal to first. Temp next not equal to first, not till then it will go on iterating. Last element will only be having temp next first, or if it is only one element. If data is found at the last, if no data is found, it will be this. If data is found, if no, it will be, if suppose no data is found, temp next not equal to null, equal to null, and here it means temp next not equal to first. Okay, temp data equal to data, its temp data equal to its data. Suppose last element it matches equal to data. Temp 1 is temp next. Temp next is creating the node. Temp next equal to temp 1. Temp next data equal to temp next data equal to the data. Okay, so what actually we are doing is this. Suppose the last element I need to delete, temp will be pointing here, temp 1 will be pointing here. Temp 1 will be pointing here and temp will point here. Okay, so what I am doing, temp next, I created that node. After that, temp next will be made. Temp 1 will not be pointing previous node. Sorry, here I am telling you wrong. Suppose these are the node I need to delete. Temp will be pointing here and temp 1 will point the next, which is this. Temp will be point here, temp 1 will point here. Okay. Temp 1 next it will contain the first element. Temp next, new element is created. Temp next, the next of the new node will be made temp 1 which contain the first element, it will be contain the first element, then temp next equal data. So what I suppose this list is till here and this contain till here, this points to here, next and this point to here, this will be temp 1 will now previously point here. Okay, so temp next malloc new node is created. After that, temp next will be temp 1 which is here, and data after that I fed. Suppose if it is in the middle after this element, is the same thing. Temp will point here, temp 1 will point here, temp next malloc new created, data is fed, temp next is temp 1 and temp 1 next is next. So here nothing has to be done. So it looks after both things, even in the middle and at the last. If nothing is found at the last, it will be added by this. Okay. Suppose in the middle I want to do it. Middle also is shown, it is working. Enter choice 7. Enter data to be added after 2. Suppose 6. Sorry. So 6 or after 2 it is added. So it is the same thing there also. 0 to exit. So every point I have discussed. Insert before, insert after. Insert before also had been done. Before also had been done. So okay. If you like this video, please subscribe to it and share it. If you don't, please write in the comment. Please. Thank you.